CVC words, 3 letters, I vowel. Before we start, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Hello kids! Welcome back to my channel, and this is your teacher Riri. Today, I'm going to teach you some CVC words with 3 letters and I vowel. I will read the word first and you can follow after. Let's start. Bib, fib, did, hid, kid, lid, read, bid, big, dig, wig, fig, pig, rig, jig, bin, pin, fin, win, sin, kin, dip, lip, sip, nip, rip, peep, tip, zip, hip, bit, fit, hit, lit, pit, sit, zit, knit, him, dim, rim, sim. And now we are going to read again the word and the phonic sound. B, b, ib, ib, bib, bib, f, f, ib, ib, fib, fib, t, t, id, id, did, did, h, h, id, id, hid, hid, k, k, id, id, kid, kid, l, l, id, id, lid, lid, r, r, id, id, read, read, b, b, id, id, bid, bid, b, b, ig, ig, big, big, t, t, ig, ig, dig, dig, w, w, ig, ig, wig, wig, ig, egg, fig, fig, p, p, egg, egg, pig, pig, r, r, egg, egg, rig, rig, ch, ch, egg, egg, jig, jig, p, p, in, bean, bean, t, t, in, teen, teen, f, f, in, fin, fin, w, w, in, win, win, s, s, in, sin, sin, k, k, in, kin, kin, t, t, ip, deep, deep, l, l, ip, lip, lip, s, s, ip, sip, sip, ip, nip, nip, ip, rip, rip, p, p, ip, peep, peep, t, t, ip, tip, tip, z, z, ip, zip, zip, h, h, ip, hip, hip, b, b, eat, bit, beat, f, f, eat, fit, fit, h, h, eat, heat, heat, eat, lit, p, eat, beat, s, eat, eat, sit, sit, z, z, eat, eat, zit, zit, n, n, eat, eat, knit, knit, h, h, im, im, him, him, d, d, im, im, dim, dim, r, r, im, im, rim, rim, s, s, im, im, sim, sim. Good job, kids! Don't forget to keep reading and learning. Thank you for watching. Till next time.